a nature video with ponies. Hey! Hi, Michi! Oh, look, it's my friend, Taco Kitty, which its actual name is Lulo. No. No, that's bad, Lulu. No. We told you no before. Why did you not listen? Don't stand in the street either. She always comes to try to cheat. I think that was just someone that was going this way. So, for one reason, you do not stand on the street, or if you're a kitty cat, do not go in the sewers. Oh, Lulu, you went under the car like you always do. Oh! You go in the car like that. This is hard. Next, Princess, how to climb a tree. My pony's gonna climb the tree, Mom. I am, Mom. Climb a tree. I'll get her. There she is. Oh. That was hard, climbing tree. I just gotta get this leaf on my hand. Wait a second, guys. There we go. Let's keep trying to climb the tree. Woo! Ah! Woo! Ah! Woo! Yay! Yeah! 3, 2, 1, 0! That was so close! See? Woo! Ah! So close! Yeah! I almost got it! Woo! Woo! Almost! Leaves. There she is. One last try. Just fine. Ah! Next option, how to fly with your pony. Myself. That was fun. Next for this, how you can make a small leaf pile for your ponies to jump in. First, you gotta gather some leaves, which is plenty of leaves around here. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, I'm on! I'm making a leaf angel! Leaf angel! Woo! This is so much fun! If you want more nature videos, go to my channel and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you like this video, or if you want to see more. Yeah! I'm definitely going to do one later today. It's an afternoon one. And tomorrow I'm going to do an afternoon one. And morning one. I meant nature. And then night one for the first time. We're actually going to start that today. So, bye.